What up, man? Which one you said Dave's in? What room? You there right now?
Man, what's up, man? Going down, man. It's about goddamn 7 in the morning, man. The next day from after the goddamn show, Holly Springs, man. Now we head to the A, man. So I guess I catch a little footage on the way down there and shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Black Youngster was in a little accident and shit fell off his 10 speed, man. So yeah, that's how we do it. But I'll get back with y'all, you know what I'm saying, halfway there or whatever, nigga. Peace out.
Yep.